In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a purchase order in QuickBooks Online. This process is a vital part of managing your business finances, ensuring that you can efficiently keep track of orders from vendors. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just need a quick refresher, you'll find that creating a purchase order is straightforward once you know where to go. So let's dive right in and guide you through the steps. First, you'll want to sign into your QuickBooks Online account. If you haven't already set up an account, you'll need to register, but most of you probably have this step covered. Click on the sign in button and then choose QuickBooks Online from the options presented. This will lead you to the familiar QuickBooks Online login page. Here, simply type in your credentials, your email and password, and click Continue. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. From here, shift your focus to the top left-hand corner of your screen where you'll see the New button. Clicking on this button will present you with several options. Select Purchase Order. It's in this area that you'll start inputting the details of your purchase order. The next step is to add the vendor you're working with. On the purchase order form, there's a field specifically for vendor details. If your vendor is already in the system, they should appear in the drop-down menu. If not, you'll need to add their information manually. After selecting your vendor, look for the Ship To field. Here, provide the pertinent shipping information for where the goods or services are to be delivered. Proceed to fill in the service or category section. This information will specify what exactly you are purchasing, be it services or inventory items. Make sure this information is accurate as it plays a crucial role in maintaining precise financial records. There's also a section for a message to the vendor or memo. Use this to add any special instructions or notes that might be helpful for your vendor to know. Once all your details have been thoroughly reviewed and everything appears in order, go ahead and click the Save and Close button. This will finalize the purchase order and save it to your QuickBooks account, and just like that, you've created a purchase order in QuickBooks Online. To recap, signing in using the New button and filling in all necessary fields are the steps to successfully creating a purchase order. Remember that accuracy at each step is crucial, as it ensures a seamless transaction with your vendors. Thank you for following along, and if you have any more questions, feel free to check out our other guides.